Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM injector. If you haven't completed routine maintenance in a couple of years, we recommend using the seal kit in this video. But if you perform maintenance regularly, we suggest the mini maintenance kit. In that case, watch the Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM service video using the mini maintenance kit. This video will cover routine service using the complete seal kit. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron is clicking. If not, please watch the D8RE2 40 GPM troubleshooting video. To service your Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM injector, you will need the complete seal kit. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron is in line, cover your stock tank so you don't lose any parts. Also, if the injection stem parts are dirty or have buildup, soak them in Dosaclean or soapy water. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Set both aside. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem straight out from the body of the injector. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. Discard the old check valve assembly. Unscrew and remove the lock nut, then the C-clamp by spreading the opening and sliding it down over the threads. Unscrew and remove the adjusting nut. Slide the injection stem nut down and off of the black sleeve. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. You may have to give it a tap. Remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching and rolling off of the black sleeve. Install the new O-ring into the groove. Then remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching it and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring into the groove. Before reassembly, lubricate the sleeve and stem O-rings with a small amount of Dosalube or dish soap. This will make it easier to reassemble. Next, align the groove in the white stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Don't forget to slide the injection stem nut onto the sleeve. Thread the adjusting nut back onto the black sleeve and set it at 1 to 100. This will ensure that you have enough threads for the next step. Replace the C-clamp by sliding it over the threads. Rotate until it clicks into place. Then thread on the lock nut and hand tighten. You can now install the new check valve assembly into the stem and reinstall the check valve nut. Set the stem aside. Remove the plunger seal by pinching and rolling it off of the plunger. Install the new plunger seal into the groove on the plunger. To finish up, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Then reinstall the injection stem nut hand tight. If the scale you prefer is not facing out, just loosen the stem nut and remove. Pull the stem down slightly, rotate and push it back up. Reinstall the nut hand tight. Before installing the suction hose, inspect it. If it flares out, cut an inch or so off and reinstall. Or if the suction hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. Now, thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide the hose onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. Make sure to set the Dosatron to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or see the video page on our website. I'm Jason and this is Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.